Hello, gardeners! Today we're diving into two of spring's show-stopping blooms, Ranunculus and Anemone. Whether you're planting for cut flowers or designing a vibrant flower bed, this video demonstrates how to plant Ranunculus and Anemones in a garden. Let's get started. To grow Ranunculus and Anemones in the U.S., plant the corms in well-draining soil with full sun after soaking them in water for 3 to 4 hours. Plant in the fall for spring blooms in warmer climates, zones 7+, or in early spring in colder regions. Protect the corms from freezing and overwatering to prevent rot. Preparation. Soak the corms. Soak Ranunculus and Anemone corms in room temperature water for 3 to 4 hours before planting to help them hydrate. Choose a site. Select a location with full sun and well-draining soil. If your soil is heavy, consider planting in containers or raised beds to improve drainage, as both plants are prone to rot in overly wet conditions. Amend the soil. Mix in several inches of compost and an all-purpose fertilizer to enrich the soil. Planting. Timing. Plant in the fall for spring blooms in milder climates, zones 7 and higher, or in late winter, early spring for early summer blooms in colder areas. Depth and spacing. Plant the corms about 2 to 3 inches deep. Space Ranunculus about 9 inches apart, and Anemones about 6 inches apart. Orientation. Plant Ranunculus corms with the claws facing down. Plant Anemone corms with the pointed end down or the growth points facing up. Aftercare. Watering. Water deeply after planting to settle the soil. Wait to water again until you see sprouts, as corms can rot if kept too wet while dormant. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged during the growing season. Protection. In areas with freezing temperatures, protect the corms with frost cloth, heavy mulch, or by planting them in a covered area. Dormancy. Both plants will go dormant as temperatures rise and days get longer. In warmer climates, zones 8 to 11, you can leave them in the ground. In colder areas, dig up the corms after the foliage has died back, clean them, and store them in a dry, cool place away from direct light until next season. Now, let's see how many varieties of Ranunculus and Anemone. Common varieties of Ranunculus in the U.S. include the seed-grown Amandine series, the Italian Elegance and Romance series, and the unique Butterfly and La Belle series. For anemones, popular types include the Italian Mistral series, the long-stemmed Galilee series, and the Marianne and Rainbow series. Colors for both flowers range widely, with Ranunculus in shades of red, orange, yellow, pink, and white, and anemones available in a similar palette, often with a striking dark center eye. Ranunculus varieties. Amandine series, a popular seed-grown series that is more affordable and heat-tolerant, making it good for beginner growers. Italian Elegance series, a premium seed-propagated line known for its large, full flowers and uniform, tall plants. Italian Romance series, another high-quality Italian series with a wide variety of designer-focused colors. Butterfly Ranunculus, known for their unique single petals and delicate shimmering appearance. Examples include the Ariadne and Hera varieties. La Belle series, blooms early but does not tolerate heat as well as other series. About anemone, there are these varieties. Italian Mistral series, a popular series available in colors like white, pink, and blue, sometimes with black centers. Galilee series, a favorite for many growers because they are reliable and have long stems. Marianne series available in unique colors, but can be more challenging to grow. Rainbow series, grown for its unique colors. Common colors of Ranunculus are red, orange, yellow, green, white, pink, hot pink, plum, and peach. Common colors of anemones are red, pink, hot pink, magenta, purple, blue, white with green centers, and white with black centers. Thanks for watching. With the right timing, soil prep, and care, your Ranunculus and Anemone will reward you with gorgeous blooms season after season. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more flower growing guides, and leave a comment. Which of these flowers will you try first? See you in the next one.